my name is Taylor Smith, aka the Career Coach, and today I'm talking about engineers. So if you ever wondered what exactly is an engineer and what do they kind of do, then this video is exactly for you. So today I'm going to talk about what an engineer is and share a couple examples so that you can get a better understanding of what an engineer is and what do they do. So what exactly is an engineer? And just an engineer is a problem solver that creates some kind of product or process in order to meet a customer's specific needs or requirements. So this customer can really vary. This could be the engineer or inventor specific needs that they need solved selfishly. This could be for mass production, or this could be for a specific customer with a specific problem that needs to be solved. So this first example, I want you to imagine a race car driver as a customer that approaches an engineer and says that they want to have a specific race car that is one, aerodynamic, so it has the least amount of air resistance and drag, so it can be as fast as possible. 2, it is very durable, so it requires the least amount of maintenance. And then also thirdly, they want this race car to have smart intelligence built into it, so it is equipped with a lot of safety features in order to make sure that the driver is safe in case anything goes wrong. So what an engineer will do, they will design some kind of model that meets all of these customer specifications, as well as meeting industry and government regulations in order to stay compliant. So basically, this research could be looking into different types of material that's going to be very lightweight, but also very durable, so that it is least destructive, it requires the least amount of maintenance for the tires, as well as the engine, etc. The engineer may also include a lot of different features, including signals, sensors, etc., so that it can detect any possible errors with the engine or any potential risk that could be upcoming that could put the driver in danger, so that they're signaled in advance about what could happen, or there's some kind of smart technology in order to stop the car before it runs into some kind of obstacle. So this specific example falls within the mechanical engineering bucket, and some of it also falls within the electrical engineering bucket as far as the sensors and signals. If you want to learn more about the different engineering disciplines and the differences between each, you guys are in luck. Next week I'm posting a video that's going to discuss exactly that, so make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are alerted when that video comes out and you can watch it as soon as it's here. So this next example, we have a customer that's in the beauty industry. So they've created some kind of moisturizer or product for skincare that they want to now increase the production for mass production so that they can sell this on a higher level to more customers. So in this example, an engineer will research and design a process in order to fulfill this recipe that the customer has in order to create this specific moisturizer. So this could be designing a bunch of different reactors, separators, etc. in order to do the different mixing, as well as different temperatures and specific pressures in order to separate components, in order to bring in components at a specific step, etc. Again, the engineer will have to make sure they're meeting the customer's requirements, as well as any government regulations, as well as OSHA, which may be related to the disposal of products, any waste and byproducts, so that we're keeping the environment safe. The engineer is also researching material that may react with the specific chemicals that are used in order to create this moisturizer, because they want to avoid corrosion of the pipes and the equipment so that it can last as long as possible. A big pro of using an engineer in order to create this moisturizer is that it's going to automate a lot of these steps. Of course, there may be some operation supervision that's required, where you have an operator that's just pushing start and stop. They're also monitoring the temperatures and pressures to make sure that nothing goes crazy, and also maybe doing some manual touches here, but it's eliminating a lot of steps as far as mixing, pouring, etc., to make this a lot faster and automated process. And in this third example, I have a customer who is probably the government that wants a 5-lane highway in an area that's typically known for flooding and also a lot of heavy rain. So again, what an engineer will do is research and design this highway and underpass system that has the correct support in order to withstand hard and heavy rain, winds, etc. It's also going to be able to hold a lot of weight as a lot of cars pass over, especially if there's times where there is traffic. In order to do this, the engineer is typically going to survey the land beforehand, and they're also going to make sure they create some kind of proper drainage system so that it prevents any floods on any bridges, highways, etc. Alrighty, y'all, well, that's what an engineer does. Hope hopefully that makes things a little bit clear for you so you understand what an engineer is and how they really benefit and impact the world. You may be thinking an engineer really sounds like an inventor and scientist in one, and that's basically what we are. We have a heavy math and science background, so if you're really interested in those subjects, then you may consider pursuing a degree in engineering. But with that said, you guys, if you like this video, if you learned something new, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel, as well as check out some of my other videos related to professional development. I will have some more videos here soon talking more about engineering, supply chain, and other career paths. So make sure you guys stay connected with me on social media as well. I'll put all this information here, and you can also visit my website if you want to learn more about career development and some of the services I offer. Until then, you guys, best of luck, and I will talk to y'all soon.